My name is Ryan Roach. I'm the Director of Innovation at COBRA Puma Golf. Starts with traditional CAD tools to design the outer shape, and then we pivot to using computational design tools like NTOP that are much more well-suited to design the internal lattice structure that can only be made with additive manufacturing. So we've used HP's metal jet process to make clubs, as well as laser powder bed fusion to make our most recent irons that we've launched. We look at polymer and metal. In this case, for our 3DP Tour irons and some of the putters we've had on tour, we're using metal, specifically 316 stainless steel. After the part's printed, there are a lot of steps that need to happen to get to that final finished appearance. Machining the face, hand polishing the outer surfaces, plating, and then some laser etch and paint fill as well. We have durability tests where we shoot a golf ball at the club at a high rate of speed to determine the durability. And then we do consumer and robot testing of our product against our other products as well as the competition to ensure that it's performing at the standard that we designed for. I have to start with Angel Hidalgo from Spain, who put some clubs in play in June, and he won the Spanish Open in September of last year. And since then, we've had PGA Tour players such as Max Homa and Gary Woodland and Danny Willett put them in play. And on the Korn Ferry Tour, Kyle Westmoreland recently won his tournament playing a set of 3D printed irons. First of all, come to Rapid. You'll be able to see 3D printed golf clubs during my talk in the consumer product track, as well as at our partners in NTOP at their booth. You really get to hear from the users and experts in the field about their use cases and maybe the problems and solutions they've gone through that can speed you along your additive journey. We came to Rapid kind of with a sense of wonder about additive. And at Rapid, it was the perfect place for us to look at the whole additive industry, talking to suppliers, learning about the technologies, connecting and networking with people that we would then potentially do business with, and hearing from end users like ourselves. So I couldn't think of a better place to be if you're trying to get into bring additive into your business. Register for Rapid is you'll have a chance to win a 3D printed all steel putter that's been used on tour, made with HP's metal jet process by registering with the 3D Natives promo code.